Hi guys, so I just wanted to start this video off on a very serious note because I feel like especially if you're in college right now or just in school in general or are going through a tough season of your life, it is so important to just relax and have days that are for self-care and to clean your environment and to make sure that you are living in a healthy space. I just feel like it's been so hard this year to maintain my area and to just feel stable in this unstable environment. So I just wanted to start this video out by saying you're not alone and that a lot of people are struggling right now, but hopefully this video brings you some peace and hopefully you can feel motivated to have a better week this week. So with that being said, let's start the video.
Hi guys, happy Sunday, or whenever you're feeling like having a cleaning self-care day. So Sundays are my favorite because I can really just enjoy my day and not have the stress of homework, or I try not to stress about homework, and I get to go worship and it's God's day, so it's just a really great day for me, so I really like it. But I actually started my self-care day yesterday, which I will show you guys the clips for that now. I'm gonna go get the clothes out of the washer and put them in the dryer, but I don't feel like taking you guys with me, so you guys will just see me folding them here right now. It's taken me over 3 hours to do laundry and I'm not even done yet, so a little frustrating because one of the dryers is broken, so there's only one. And then someone had their clothes in it, so I didn't get to do a round when my clothes were done washing. So these are my lights, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold these and watch Grays, but I just wanted to update you. I didn't want to do this on Sunday because I had so much laundry to do, so I'm just gonna get it out of the way now and just take one thing off my plate. I really need to take it slower because it really affects my mental health and my worth if I don't get stuff done. So really I'm trying to alter that mentality and give myself a break, and I'm just not in like my best mood, and that's okay. But I just wanted to be honest with you guys. It's just been a long week. College is fun, but it's not really that much fun with COVID, and especially when you have your boyfriend and your dogs and your family at home. So now I'm gonna do some laundry.
Ryan Little.
So since I did some stuff yesterday, I kind of got a little less on my plate today because I had so much laundry. As you could tell, I didn't film the second half of me doing laundry, but the first half was just the half of it. So I got my laundry out of the way, and what I really want to do, if you guys saw on my thing, my dry erase daily thing, so I want to go to church, which I'm going with some girls that I just met in one of my Zoom classes, so that's really fun and exciting. And I'm going to vacuum, dust, Clorox wipe all my counters. I'm gonna replace my to-do board, which is over on my wall, and like replace it with updated assignments and stuff like that. I want to wash my sheets and my towels, so I still want to do some laundry, and I want to decorate my planner for the week, which I found is really exciting for me. I don't know why, but I have these planner stickers that I got from Walmart, and they're all about wellness, so I really like to just go through and add some fun elements to my week, so that's another way I can do that. And then I want to go through and clean all of my screens, so my iPad, my computer, my phone, my camera. I want to just wipe everything down. I also want to wipe down my sink countertop. So I have retainers, and whenever I put my retainers in like the little denture holder thing. That's how I clean them every day, and it just gets this like sticky mess on my counter, so I really want to like scrub it down. And also from the dishes I've been doing all week, I haven't really taken the time to like actually clean the sink part of it, so, or like the inside of the sink, so I'm gonna definitely scrub that out. I'm going to kind of organize some stuff to make my week less stressful. And if I have time later, I really want to go to Target because I have to get some stuff that I'm running out of, so I might actually have time to squeeze that in. This vlog is to go and get some groceries for the week, but I am done boring you guys with my talking, so let's get on with the video. I will start working on cleaning and self-care after I get back from church, which I'm not really sure when that'll be, but yeah, I will see you guys whenever I start to clean.
In 1 week.
You're silly. Give me 1 second, okay? Be quiet. 1 second. I'm vlogging really fast.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I am gonna go to Target to get some groceries because apparently we're gonna have like 10 inches of snow tonight. So I need to go get that stuff now so that I don't forget to go get it, and I don't want to be snowed in. So I'm gonna go and take you guys with me. Okay, let's go. We actually already have so much snow on the ground. We're getting around, somebody said 15 inches. That's gonna be crazy, and I'm actually really scared. It makes me like giddy when there's like snow things happening, but that just gives me even more time to just stay in and have self-care. So I'm gonna go get some groceries and just kind of stuff that I need and that I don't want to like get out in the snow to get. So I'm just gonna get everything that I really like have been needing. But other than that, I think I'm pretty good. It's crazy how many people are here because of the storm. Like, wow. Okay, here are my groceries. I'll do a little grocery haul. I got some tissues, paper towel, I got razor, I got some dish soap. I saw this on TikTok. It's the Everspring soap, so I thought it'd work really well. It says that it gets out a lot of grease, so I thought that'd be good. Then I saw this on TikTok, and it's Smartly Shave Foam, and it was 99 cents, and people said it works really well, so I got this. And then I got some Tide Pods. Then I got this reusable bag because I thought it was super cute. Some syrup because I realized when I was going to make waffles this morning, I didn't have any syrup, so that kind of was a bummer. And then this lotion is my holy grail. Love this lotion. My mom has always used it, so now I use it. And then I got these because I love these, so I got some. It's the apple like squeezy pouches. Then I'm running out of my Dunkin' French vanilla coffee, so I got some coffee because if I need anything during this snowstorm, this. I got some semi-sweet mini chocolate chips for my waffles, and then I got some bananas because my bananas went really bad. So I have a lot of stuff. I want to go see if the washer's open so I can go wash my towels and my sheets. So I'm gonna go see if it's open. So I just want to check. It's not open, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean. Let's go ahead and do that. guys, so I'm going to clean all of my screens with these lens wipes. I found that they're the best. So I'm gonna clean down all my screens. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go see if the washer's open yet because it's still not open. So I might have to put off washing my towels and my sheets to tomorrow. Oh well. Okay, so I'm going to clean this off and redo it. I'm not going to show you guys because it's kind of an impossible angle, so I'm just going to go ahead and transition. 3, 2, there we go. So I have a pretty busy week, but we've got this. It'll be fine. So I'm back after doing some stuff. The last few things I'm gonna do is do my planner and then hopefully do laundry soon, the end of my laundry. But if that doesn't happen, it's not a big deal. But this is the last thing I wanna do. So I talked about it in the beginning of the vlog, is these planner stickers. I usually like to do technology, but for planners, I really like to just stick with paper. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to change the clip, and these are like the little stickers and stuff, but I'm gonna change the clip to the next week. So I usually like to put a reading sticker for my Bible, a workout sticker for whenever I can work out, which is probably gonna be all indoor workouts this week because of the snow. So I'm gonna put workout stickers, and then I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so here is my planner after the stickers. So I kind of went a little carried away, so like I added some stuff down here and added just like workout, read, early bedtime. I added this fun little thing, and then sleep in, read, busy days there, stay patient, trust your journey sticker, and then weekly goals. So I like to write down my weekly goals there. And then up here I put a sticker that says I'm thankful for, and I'm gonna fill that out. And then I really like that it says this. It says kind words are the music of the soul up here. So super cute. I really like the way it looks with the stickers. It makes it a lot more fun. There you go. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to reorganize some of my drawers because I have a lot of clothes in there, and reorganize my closet, but I'm not going to show you guys that because it's going to be very tedious and not like something I can film a lot of. So thank you guys so much for watching and preparing for the snowstorm with me. I really enjoyed having you guys come along, and I hope this encouraged you to clean your own space and stay motivated for this week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!